Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 25th of October, 2024. The Indian stock markets closed deep in the red on Friday, driven by lackluster Q2 earnings and widespread sell-offs, especially in mid-cap and small-cap stocks. The BSE-listed companies collectively erased over 6 lakh crore in market capitalization on Friday alone. The Sensex closed 663 points down at 79,402, while the Nifty fell 219 points, ending at 24,181. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were ITC, Axis Bank, HUL, Sun Pharma, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank and TCS, while losers were M&M, L&T, NTPC, Adani Ports, Morathi, Bajaj Finance, Titan, Tata Motors, Tata Steel SBI and Bajaj Finserv. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of DCB Bank surged 5% on October 25 after the lender reported healthy July-September quarter results. The bank reported a 22.6% year-on-year increase in net profit to 155.5 rupees crore for Q2 financial year 2025, while net interest income grew 7% year-on-year to 509.2 rupees crore. On the asset quality front, net non-performing assets improved slightly to 1.17% in Q2 financial year 2025, compared to 1.18% in the previous quarter. Similarly, the gross non-performing assets ratio declined to 3.29%, down from 3.33% in Q1 financial year 2025. Our growth momentum remains strong across both deposits and advances, said Praveen Kutty, Managing Director and CEO. A greater focus on analytics and customer engagement is driving growth in fee income. Recoveries and upgrades have been encouraging, and we are actively working on enhancing productivity. Looking ahead, we anticipate steady improvement in profitability. DCB Bank has 451 branches across 20 states and 2 union territories. It is a scheduled commercial bank regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Shares of IndusInd Bank plunged 18% on October 25, falling the most in nearly 5 months after the lender reported a poor set of numbers for the quarter ended September 30, 2024. Data also showed that 2.38 million shares of the bank changed hands in different block deals. IndusInd Bank reported a significant drop in its consolidated net profit for Q2 financial year 2025, falling 39.5% year-on-year to 1,331 rupees crore. The bank's net interest income, a key indicator of profitability, saw a growth of 5% on year to 5,347 rupees crore during the July-September quarter. Despite the growth in NI, the overall profit fell, indicating pressure on other financial metrics. However, the growth in NI was below market expectations. The bank's net interest margin, a key indicator of profitability, fell to 4.08% from 4.29% in the year-ago period, indicating some pressure on margins. Shares of Dixon Technologies continued their downward trajectory after tanking more than 7% on October 25, despite the company delivering a robust performance in the second quarter of financial year 2025. This prompted bullish brokerage calls, suggesting that the mobile segment, in particular, is seen as a major growth driver, alongside IT hardware and backward integration. During the quarter, Dixon reported a 263% rise in its consolidated net profit at 412 rupees crore, while its revenue from operations increased to 11,534.08 rupees crore. Brokerages like Investec and Nomura have responded positively to Dixon's Q2 results. Investec raised its target price to 15,900 rupees from 12,700 rupees, maintaining a buy rating. The brokerage attributed the strong performance to a significant ramp-up in mobile revenues and continued to see IT hardware as a promising growth opportunity for the company. Dixon's foray into components manufacturing is also expected to bolster its competitive edge and profitability in the long term. Shares of Radico Khaitan hit a new high of 2,525.50 rupees as they rallied 10% on the BSE in Friday's intraday trade after the company delivered strong operational performance for the July-September quarter of financial 2024-25. The Breweries and Distilleries Company reported a 12.6% increase in the prestige and above category of beverages, along with a sequential improvement in earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization margins. The company's EBITDA margin improved 150 bps quarter-on-quarter and year-on-year at 14.5%. Gross margin during the quarter, however, was 43.6% compared to 44.1% in Q2 financial year 2024 and 41% in Q1 financial year 2025. Gross margin was impacted on a yearly basis due to a significant inflation seen in food grain prices that were offset by premiumization in the Indian-made foreign liquor business. However, they improved 258 bps on a sequential basis due to the ongoing trend of premiumization and a stable raw material and packaging material scenario. Comet Hotels, India, Limited in daily time frame is trading around 221.86 points with a change of 19.22% and is trading with a net volume of around 102.699 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 198.89, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 64.22. Salona Kotspin Limited in daily time frame is trading around 310.30 points with a change of 16.65% and is trading with a net volume of around 20.956 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 284.77, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 61.78. Tenwala Chemicals and Plastics Limited in daily time frame is trading around 278.81 points with a change of 13.57% and is trading with a net volume of around 89.46 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 262.79, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 58.41. For the stock recommendation we have, NMDC Limited looks good and can be bought at 218 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 210 rupees and a target of 225 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.